see what we can find. I have seen some frogs over here and stick insects before. It's kind of only like baby stick insects. So. Okay, just looking through here first. Oh no way, what's that? That's what that, hang on. Can you hold the phone for me please? Just film. Ready? 3, 2, got him. Okay, you want me to take the phone back now? Got some grass on him. Look at that. That's a young blue-tongued lizard. He has been attacked, obviously. Bit damaged there. He does have something wrong with his spine. Can somebody let us know what's wrong? Look at him. Does he have any ticks? I don't think so. Can't really tell with that mess. Super cute. Now, I'm gonna just sit him down here and we can watch how he moves if he wants to go through the environment. Some people mistake these guys as snakes because usually they keep these back legs like that and they move like a snake. So these guys get mistaken like snakes sometimes. So he's just kind of there. I was just over here looking through there and I just spotted his tail right there. And I put him there, but pretty much the same place. So he's trying to move through the environment here nicely. No, come here, mate. Now this will probably have to be the end of today's video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now. Okay.